Hello, I'm Claire Roche, Executive Director of Nursing at Powys Teaching Health Board. I want to talk to you today about what our minor injury units in Powys do and what they don't do. In Powys, minor injury units see patients that are 2 years old and over. As the name suggests, we can see people who have had a recent minor injury. This would include injuries such as minor wounds, grazes, minor burns, sprains or fractures. We encourage everyone to phone first before attending the minor injury unit. This enables us to confirm that your injury can be treated in a minor injury unit, or allow us to direct you to a more appropriate service. This not only saves you an unnecessary visit, but more importantly, it gets you to the right service as quickly as possible. In the last month, every person that attended was seen within 4 hours of arrival, and often a lot faster. We provide a very rapid service for patients with minor injuries, and we frequently receive positive feedback about our services. We really want our minor injury units to be well used by the people in Powys. However, it is really important that they are used appropriately to keep you and your family safe. It is essential to be aware that people should not attend a minor injury unit for major medical problems, something that may be life-threatening. For example, conditions such as chest pain, stroke, shortness of breath, or major trauma. Minor injury units are not for emergencies. In the event of an emergency, you should call 999 or go to your nearest hospital emergency department. Attending the wrong unit in the wrong circumstances can delay care for you or your family. Please check our website for the current opening times, as sometimes these can change at short notice. Just go to pthb.nhs.wales and click on the link at the top of the page.